What up, y'all? This be the one that called Spawnbreezie, and you are watching from a poly perspective. Big up.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Phil the Builder reporting from a poly perspective. I'm here live, 711 Columbia Lane, Provo, Utah. You know it as Sweets Restaurant. That's right, the OG spot. Hey, tonight we got a wonderful show. Spawnbreezie warming up in the background. He's got an album release, and from a poly perspective is live, man. We're going to bring it to you guys and, catch up with Spawnbreezie, see what he's up to, and talk to him about the album, where you can cop it, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, and, I think it's time to get in there, see what's up.
How much pride? Got my haters out there? Put your hands up, got haters? Well, obviously doing something right. We're going to dedicate this song to our haters. It goes a little something like this. Next one, bring it, come on. He tell me how much longer must I suffer in this world that we living in. Trying hard to stay positive, but they feel like they giving it. So I've been on them, got me down, down. I'm trying hard to hold my ground. I feel like taking it in. Got the you search for lighter. Hey, we're looking for the black righteousness. Please tell me how to stop.
Hey, what's up? Just like we promised, man, Phil the Builder here with my dude. It has been a long time. Spawnbreezie shutting it down. Him and the crew, man, it went crazy tonight. Crowd loved you, man. CD's out. Yo, let's get right down to business, man. What's up with your CD, man?
I'm actually in the process of my album release tour, Dear Billy. We made our way up to Washington. Ever since then, we've just been coming down south, making our way back home to Missouri. But you can cop it on iTunes, $10, or you can copy it for me, $15 plus the hard copy. It's called Dear Billy. Please be on the lookout for it. Support the movement. Big up.
What's different about this album if you compare it to the ones that you've done in the past?
Expect reality. My first album, Independent Soldiers, it was more of just to attach and find a fan base. My second album, Welcome to Zion, was just more on like attaching and holding on to that fan base. This being my third album is just me doing me. Expressing a lot of reality situations that I've been through, heartbroke, turning away. Best way to cover from stress was drinking, and it's just a lot of reality in this album. I'm sure y'all can relate to it.
Okay, switching topics. Pacific Island music. Are you happy with the direction it's going right now? What's your opinion on that?
In all honesty, no, I'm not satisfied with it. I'm not happy with where it's at, being that we are limited to only our people. This is the main reason why this third album is being my last album for Polynesian people. After this, I plan to go mainstream. I actually have connects to a lot of people out there right now.
All right. Hey, Spawnbreezie, I'm Phil the Builder from a poly perspective.
And I just want to give a big up to people of 801, showing so much love from Provo to Salt Lake City. It's just been nothing but love from our Tongan and Samoan people. Big up to our Polynesian people who helped me become who I am. I couldn't be who I am without y'all. So honestly, not just because every artist says this, I really do love y'all. I appreciate y'all hard-earned dollars to help me survive. Once again, big up, big up.